The Calstein 20 kg tumble dryer is a state-of-the-art appliance designed for superior efficiency in laundromats, hotels and hospital laundry operations. The dryer features fully automatic, computer-controlled temperature regulation, an overheating protection mechanism that ensures safe operation, and an ergonomically designed door with a 180-degree opening that allows for both left and right opening. Capacity 20 kg with drum volume 386 liters. Ideal for commercial and industrial settings requiring large volume laundry drying quickly and efficiently. Dimensions 1000 by 1200 by 1680 mm, weight 350 kg, powered by 380 volts for industrial and commercial applications. Multiple heating options including electrical, steam and combined methods. Electric heating power 19.8 kilowatts, steam pressure 0.4 to 0.5 megapascals. Stainless steel drum dimensions 890 by 620 mm with coated panels preventing fabric contamination. Motor power 0.55 kilowatts for reliable operation. Manufactured in France with premium quality materials, every Calstein equipment is engineered to deliver guaranteed performance, exceptional robustness and true French excellence worldwide. Explore the complete Calstein industrial washing machine catalog. Efficiency, reliability and innovation for every commercial and industrial laundry need. Visit calstein.net and bring science to life.